Hello everyone and welcome to this live analysis with me, Ivan Vidal. I hope that you everyone are pretty awesome, pretty duper awesome. Awesome! Boom. Remember, what did we talk about yesterday? It went how we wanted it to be. Pretty good entries on Aussie, Euro and New Zealand dollar. Well, what happened after that was kind of a downturn, but yeah, pretty good entries there. Let me turn into that one. Okay, cool. The music is a bit loud probably, but I will try to take it down. And there you are. Oh, we're not on the charts today. Sorry, we have 3,685 subscribers today. Thank you. The reason why is because I appreciate every single one of you coming here today. Chief! Hello! Come on, Chief. What'd you do? Well, I was eating dinner. Things happen. Sorry, bro. Yeah, not the first. Third day, lol. Alright, so let's go through the wins we've had as of the past, whatever, few minutes. So welcome to everyone who has been joining me from the Trader Nick live I've done earlier today and on Friday. I appreciate every single one of you for joining in, and if you are very new to me and how I trade things, welcome. That was the entry I said yesterday, 20, actually it wasn't that entry even. It was 2008, somewhere around there. So that is just at that bottom. That's what I said yesterday on Aussie. On Euro, we had then the entry, apparently took it away, but it was somewhere 23, I said that's called that one now, that, like that price there. Pretty good, pretty awesome. Boom. And New Zealand is still there at 72.60. So that's gone in and out of profit today. So yeah. Bon appetit. Good evening, Lydia. Welcome. You're the greatest human being. Thank you. Aww. You're so sweet, Heartache. My lovely wife. And then to everyone, to all the guys out there, I know there's a woman, I know there's women here, but to all the guys here. So you have 24 hours to tell your wife that she's beautiful. Chills. But yeah, good evening, Ahmad. We're just up on time. Yeah, fantastic. We're probably 1 hour and 15 minutes late today, but it is what it is. We are 20 minutes, but yeah, we are good. So, where do we start? Where do we start? Where do we start, people? Oh, caption. Sorry. Take that away. Where do we start today? What do we start with? I mean, I'm late. I'm late to the party. I know I'm late to the party. Do you guys hear my music, or is it just me? Where is it? Eurocad. Okay, that's a new one. Tomorrow news, there is a start. Okay. So, let us come in with expectations. I'm not trying to hype up the CPI tomorrow if it just goes whatever. But tomorrow, it seems like to me the market is actually prepping for CPI tomorrow. It can go higher, it can go lower, it can be fast, it can be fast. I don't know which one the way it's gonna take. It all depends on the news itself. But yeah, some additional comments from Fed's Harker. 3% inflation is about the maximum he can hold like to see. Okay. The Fed has the tools to deal with inflation that is accelerating. Inflation expectations are not unanchored. We need to invest in our infrastructure to keep the economy going and all those things. For those who live in America, does anyone live in America? Does anyone live in America that knows about the gas line, the gas pipe thing that, or the fuel pipe that was hacked? Does anyone know if that is actually resolved? Is that even resolved now? Because I saw one guy on TikTok, Sectip guy. He said that they didn't have gas or petrol, whatever you guys call it, for 100 gas station in his area. 100 gas stations in the area, and the authority said there is no shortage. So I don't know. Yeah. No reason to withdraw monetary policy yet. Euro is still tilted to the downside. Can it stick? Well, that is also something that I would like to look into. Because for tomorrow, we have the CPI. The CPI for tomorrow is expected still at 33.6, I guess. 3.6 is here. And 2.3 for the core. We shall see what happens. So these are the two most important things to look at for tomorrow. I don't know if I will be live tomorrow for 14:30, but you know, pretty dang there. Why am I there even? So there we are. How is this gonna miss? How is this gonna behave? What are we expecting? I can just put out what I would expect right now, and then you guys can take notes tomorrow and shoot me or if price or if number is higher than expected, we're gonna see dollar up. If price is lower, if number is lower than expected, dollar down. Okay. Once again, there's a hair in my face. Like, CPI comes in at whatever that is, and if it's dollar, if number is higher than dollar goes down. If the number is higher than expected, dollar goes up. If the number is lower than expected, dollar goes down. Okay. Then we shall see. That's my expectations. You guys can take screenshots. Come back at me tomorrow and say, "Hey, Evan, what did you ask for?" So here we are. Euro USD, Euro CAD tomorrow. Plans for both. It affects 45% of East Coast. Yeah, yeah, it is. So I just want to know if that is coming up and running or not. Okay, fantastic. Okay, can I just put it into the? Can I just put it into the chat? So, where are we? EuroCAD for the fun of doing it. We can do EuroCAD. EuroCAD is currently in a range or wedge or whatever those retail traders that I don't necessarily follow think. So this is either going to go up or it's going to go down. Maybe it's going to go down. Who knows? Did you sell at the correct prices? Let's see if we can get the correct prices here. We can go into 1 week. And did you sell at here at 147.90? Did you sell here at 147.40? And if you are a buyer, did you buy here and you don't like it coming back up again? Okay, so if you are a buyer, let me say this is your buy price. Whoa, this is your buy price, and this is your sell price. This is your sell price, and the market is undecided. So I don't know where it's gonna go. It can go higher to 149, 148 something, 148.80, or down to 145.90. Okay. Niroshan Fernando says, use the CAD, what's next? Hardik says Australian dollar, where are we gonna go? And then Sean says, Euro dollar. We can go to Euro dollar, everyone. We can go to Euro dollar, where we have no new higher high on the day. How does that affect your trading? Does that make you worried? Does that make you, oh, interesting, this is interesting, I want to see that? The central pivot for tomorrow is higher than today, so that means that we are still uptrending on that technical side. So I'm still looking for the upside. So what is the USD, up or down? What are you thinking, brother? How can you get my indicator, Sean? Sean, where do you come from? Do you come from Trader Nix or do you come from my channel? If you come from my channel, it should be in the description below somewhere. And if node is not there, it should be here. Coming into Wednesday pivots, coming into my indicator list. Here we are. Please give it a like before you leave it, right? Please give it a like before you leave it. I have not seen a lot of people saying that today, so yeah, cool. Leave it a like. There you are. Congratulations. So, I'm still thinking upside. Can this one fall? Absolutely. If it falls below 120, 120, does that make it a double top? Yes, it does actually make it a double top. Let's go back to some of the other years of May and see what we can find of reasons of how it has been turning around earlier. Because if you go back to May 2020, Euro USD fell from the beginning, came into 10th, 12th, came into 14th of May and then higher. Okay, around 18th it went higher again. Coming into May. Coming into May, we went higher. We made a double top around 13th. Lower high, lower low, lower high, low, and then 30th of May was the low. So that's interesting. And 23rd was the low. Okay, what does that mean? If we are going into such a situation where we fall from around 13th, which is Thursday, does that fit with being 1 day off? Yes, it does. So that is really in the forefront of my face. I'm not sure if I'm going to flip everything again just for the fun of it, but I do understand that if we break 120, 120, that is a consideration that I need to take before I go into more trading here. I need to understand that if we go lower here, that could spike price going lower, more lower. Maybe back down here before going higher again. So, I want this to go higher. That is totally my main message. I think this is going to go higher. That's my main message. But if CPI turns it lower, I'm not going to stand in front of it. I'm not going to stand in front of the train. The other thing that I also mentioned is there's a couple of buy prices here for this week that I mentioned. Did you turn it to week? No, you did not. Week, thank you. I've said buy at around 121 and 120.50. Okay? Yes, I have. And I still stand by those. But, yeah, just having... You are from Nick. So, cool. 21, 21, 21, 20, 2070 is the buy zone. Stop 50 pips entry from TP up to 122. That is my plan. I do very much agree. I agree with Abbas. That is a great trade plan. If you have a trade plan like Abbas that you're thinking of buying somewhere around this area, that is absolutely lovely. Congratulations. I can't say your name, bro. Don Quiz. This is French. Je m'appelle, I know. Oui. Okay, that was just fun. I'm not trying to make fun of you. I actually have no clue how to say your name, Don. I'm just going to call you Don because I'm American. I'm not American, I'm Norwegian. So, send me a voice message. Because somebody send me a voice message of how to say that name. Please tell me. Or maybe come in a voice chat in the Discord channel and say your name beautifully and correctly so I can say it correctly. Okay? Cool. No, I'm not racist and I'm not, into those. I actually want to know how people say their name correctly because people can't say my name. Okay? I'm being called Alvin, Ivan, Avin, which is actually wrong. I've been called Alvin. Alvin is someone else. This is Alvin. This is Alvin. This guy. Am I a chipmunky? Like, this is Alvin. That is not me. Does that look like me? Does that look like me? So I want to be true to how your name are spelled out. So what about, bro, why is USD Swissy coming down? Although CHF is very weak. Why is Swiss is stronger then? Same as per person, I would say you're absolutely wrong. It is not Swiss that is strong. It's absolutely dollar weakness. Because if you look at the currency strength, whatever I see, Swiss is weak. If Swiss is weak, then USD Swiss should go higher. But it's actually dollar being weak. Because if you look at the weekly, Swiss isn't strong. It's just the dollar is absolutely 10 negatives on the weakness scale. So it's just that dollar is weaker. I got it from the name. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I can ask, like, can Google tell me how to say this name? How to say, maybe? Google? Google, translate, Google. And then I would just say, going into English maybe. So, it's called Galicis. I don't know. Is that, are you from Madagascar? So it's French. No, it's not for so. No. I can't listen to it. Etron. No. Don Quixote. Don Quixote. No, not really. Okay, anyways, I'm stopping to do that. Anyways. Okay, anyways. Yeah, just fine. He asked about G. Spanish. How's that Spanish? How's that? Good evening, Jackson. Very much welcome. Music, by the way. Do you see any strength coming in dollar within the next couple of days? Yes, I do. CPI tomorrow is strength, dollar strength potential. No, don't buy it for whatever reason you find that. You can't buy this thing, okay? You can't buy this thing because it hasn't really reached the sell price this week even. It's not even bullish. How do you know it's not bullish? Well, if you look at the moving average you guys are supposed to do, all this is pointing downwards. So, if you call me a Karen, you know, this is not even higher highs. Anyways, no, it's totally bearish still, so if you want to buy this thing, you don't have any reasons for it. But yeah, cool. Killer! Hi, USD buys on 120.71? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I don't know. Based off your profile photo? Sorry. Yeah. 2071 is definitely buy zone. Yeah, correct. Correct. And you have to tell me if you're a madam or sir, so I can tell your pronoun. Is that what you call it nowadays? I'm so messed up with that thing. So, pound dollar. Where do you think it's going to go, bro? I think it has taken profit. Okay? Whatever it does now, it's totally up to the Forex gods. So, when we are done with this pound thing, and you're like, hey, what's going on really, people? Janos. Oh, it's Janos. Hi, Janos. Oh, I heard something. What happened? I heard a noise in my ears. Who? Steve Morse just subscribed. Welcome, Steve. There you are, bro. Samantha just subscribed. Wow, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. So for pound, it's take profit zone. That meaning I can't do anything here. I'm gone, you know? What's the stop loss? 120. Kumar. Sorry, I couldn't say your first name. Yeah. Get into the Volvo, welcome. Will is coming in even. Wow. 1142. Great. What is happening here? Let's check out the YouTube subscription thing. How many subscribers are we doing now? Like, update! Update! Come on, update! Oh, really? You're going to let me down right now? Look. Yeah, of course it's not going to. Like, yeah, am I being bombed? Really, people? Thank you very much. Profit taking probably 122. Oh, is there a thing? Where's these people coming from? That's so funny. Anyways, yeah, let's go. Let's continue. It might be stuck, yes, but of course, a fall tomorrow is, of course, evidently likely that it can happen. So, and also an evidently rise is going to happen tomorrow as well. So, yeah, anything can happen tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Okay, so where do we go now? So we have Killer coming in. Oh, Maida. Hello, Maida. Hello, Maida. The world's best grandmother is in the building. So if you look at Swissy, use the Swissy just for the fun of it. I don't trade it myself, so I can't even tell you that's what you're supposed to do. But yeah, cool. So how would you treat USD Swissy coming in this week? You would definitely have a sell zone up here at around 190.60, and you haven't got that yet. So you're just, somewhere in between. So just waiting. You're just waiting, actually. So yeah, maybe dollar will get stronger someday, one day. The other thing to look out for is that we are on the monthly pivot, or on the S1, so we kind of have to, we kind of have to have a pullback. We haven't got that yet, so we're just there and waiting on. So, thank you for the insight. You're very much welcome, bro. So yeah, still going down to 89 something. Where are you from? Where am I from? I am from this place called Norway. And it's kind of like this place. And okay, so now it was snow earlier. I like to show snow to people because it's kind of, and if you're just showing you summer, doesn't really matter, does it? So yeah, so this is like Norway, and Norway is like this. This is like Norway. This is Sweden. This is Denmark. This is Finland. This is Great Britain. And this is Denmark. This is Germany, Deutschland. And then what else is Norway? Norway is like, which one should we take? Norway is like, yeah, this one maybe. Yeah, this is pretty Norway-ish. But also, this is also pretty Norway-ish. So we have a lot of long coastline, and we have a lot of, nice high mountains, a lot of sea. We are well off on oil, and fish, salmon. If you eat sushi, you might be eating sushi from Norway, salmon from Norway. So yeah, pretty good, yeah. So this is how we move Norway. Use diggers to dig out people, and this is a house. This is a double-story house, 3 or 4 or 5 meters up, and the guy is buried in snow. So yeah, have a good day. That's cool. You're from Jamaica. Wow, fantastic. So please write any trading for tomorrow. Killer. Yeah, I would say first of all, Killer. I'm actually going to be passive tomorrow, and you can take my word for it that if I say that, oh, I told you so. The only told you so I'm going to tell you about tomorrow is that I hope that dollar weakens. I hope. That's my hope. There is no hope in strategy and trading, but I hope. So if you guys want signals or trade ideas, I don't have that for you for tomorrow. You can trade on your own. You can buy or sell whatever you want. I've given you, some levels you need to look for, some stop losses, but if you don't get it, I can't really help you. The problem is that I think market can move up to 50 pips in whatever direction. Okay? It can move in whatever direction. He needs some sun. Can't you see how nice? People, come on. Do I look pale? Really? I look the sun in me, like I'm in the sun. You can't just see. You know, I have a, as you can see, I have a, you know. Yeah, I'm pale, I know. And I'm just red because it's hot. Can see some Wayne pivot summary right now. That is Pedram Muhammad Zarek. Okay. I can give you the USD. Do you guys want to go through the pivot points? You mean always you say need to go? Yeah, I love. You know, when you are in negative, you are in negative 50 degrees. I'm not going to joke with you, okay? So I'm going to give you guys some place. No, but this is not my place. I can't give up my place. But we have like places in Norway not far away from where I was, and the general heat is negative 20. Like you breathe and it hurts. You know what I mean? Like temperature negative 20. Let's see. Does that give you anything here? No. Minus 20. Minus 20. Like how cold is that really? Like the car is freezing. The snow is freezing. Everything is freezing. There's no sunlight. The sun doesn't rise above the horizon for 3 months, bro. Like, what are you talking about? Okay. So let's go to monthly pivots. Monthly pivots, great. There we are. Okay, so how do we trade this thing? What is kind of the rule of thumbs? It all depends on the season. Okay, it all depends on the season. But if we take somewhere around 2009 for whatever reason, in January to March, I'm looking to sell this thing. So I would sell here, here, and here. This is what I would do. April, I would buy. That didn't go so well. But April sell. April, that actually kicked me out. So I think I maybe sold down somewhere here. I'm trying to sell at least in this area. Trying to sell in this pink area. Trying to sell in this pink area. And then I would try to buy here. It got okay. Trying to sell in May, didn't go so well. Bought in June, first week of June. Sold second week of June, and then we are done. So if you're asking about the monthly pivots, how much money is in here? I would say 2,000 to 5,000 pips, depending. Okay? It's because if you sell here, you sell, stop, sell, stop, stop, and then you buy, stop, and then you buy, stop, sell. So how do you trade this thing? So when you go here to this pivot point, you can go to bullish, only look for bullish opportunities. Then you only have this zone you want price to go for. The thing is, how do you trade this? I would use that's the area I want to buy in. I need the trend to go with me. I need a double bottom, higher high, higher low situation before I can start buying. I don't buy generally in blindness. I then have this as a target, and I take full stop target for the first line here. How do you know which price that is? You just go to the price target and say, that is 12.94. Okay? Then I'm out. I put my entries here, put the stop target here, and I'm done. How did I do that lately? I did that at 17.50. Took it up to 21.26, and I'm out. 300 pips, 380 pips, around 400, give or take. I also shorted around 21 and 100, and then down here, but I got out around here, so I was around 90 pips. So I use that to look for entries down to this area. I didn't get it this year. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm absolutely sorry. But then I'm going into June and I'm going to buy the heck out of it. What is the rules? The rules of engagement is, there's actually a video on there somewhere, but I'm just going to give it to you. Sorry. The rules of engagement is, let's see. Let's write this one. M2 to M4 central pivot if you are a buyer to R2, which is R2. R2 is here. This is R2, this upper line here. This is M4. This is central pivot. So that is that way and that is that way. So just go one line down. If you are then going to sell this thing, then you're going to look for sells here to there, which is M3 to M1, or just use the boxes. And if it comes up from central, does go above here, then you sell it down to S2. That is a general term. If you have a bad market, a bad month, you might bounce between R1 and S1. And this goes to daily, weekly, monthly. So if I'm a buyer right now, today, tomorrow, on Euro, I will go to daily pivots. I would go to here, and I would say, every time price goes down to this buy zone, the same buy zone, M2 to M4, I would buy it here, take profit here. I would buy here, take profit here. I would buy here, take profit here. Oh, it did take profit there. What about boom? Fantastic, bro. So that is how I act as a buyer. If I'm a seller, what do I do then? I sell in this sell zone, sell in this sell zone, sell in this sell zone. As long as I have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high situation, until it becomes a new higher high, I am out. Okay? Thank you very much. Hi, bro. Hello. Oh, a lot of people coming here. Very good heater. Yeah, I have a good heater. Actually, heater's on. And if you guys don't know, I actually have a duvet as well. So, was that interesting enough for you guys? Did you guys learn from there? Cool from Jamaica. Prepare both scenarios, Helmand, and that's all. I don't know what that is. Goal, please. We will do goals soon. Haha. I mean, you always say you need to go to one places. I know. Hi, bro. I watched your stream with Nick earlier today. I'm glad I've subscribed today. Very much welcome. I never see snow in my entire life. Like, bro, where have you been living? Yeah, I see snow every winter, like every year. Chief, share the midnight sun. Bro, come to Dubai. I've actually been to Dubai, CMS Pepperstone. I've been to Dubai. It was absolutely freaking hot. It was 48 degrees. 48 degrees Celsius. I almost fainted. I know, I fainted. Because I was coming from, well, I think the worst thing I've ever in my entire life done, I think I came from negative 15. So I came from negative 15 in Oslo. So that is like vintertøy. Like I'd say vintertøy. How was I dressed that day? I was dressed like in this kind of a jacket here. How did I look like? I looked like... I didn't look like these people, though. I looked like this guy, like, heavily... I had gloves, I had hats, I had, like... And then I had, like, snowboard, pants on. And I looked like this guy, right? I looked like this guy, basically. This is how it looked like. This is how it looked. No, not really those people. Anyone with heavy jackets? Heavy jackets. These guys. I look like these guys, you know? Dope. So I look like these guys. And I go to Kenya. Kenya is a hot place. It had 25 degrees. The difference there is negative 15 to 25 degrees. It is 40 degrees difference. What happens then when I come to Kenya, there was Ebola back in those times in most Africa. I was taken away because I thought, I was taken aside because I thought I had Ebola. Bro, Jeez. They took like this thermometer in my head. I'm like, bro, you're above 37 degrees. No wonder I'm dying here. So yeah, I have been coming from very cold weather to cold weather once, and I almost died. And the first night in the new place when it's so hot, and you don't have a fan, you don't have air conditioning whatsoever, which is not normal because they are used to it. You're just laying around there. Yeah, 30 to 27, yeah. If you go to like Oslo temp, Oslo winter, just go to Oslo winter, and then temperature maybe. Like how cold does it get? Temperature in Oslo in winter, minimally 15 negatives. I'm not joking here, people. Celsius, by the way. So, done about climate. So I'm expecting this one to go higher. Okay, cool. Where else were we going now? Gold, Richard Kwesi. Kwesi sounds like you're almost okay. You're probably African, Kenyan, Ugandan, Tanzanian. Karibozana, if you understood that one. I just know my brothers, you know, from another mother, you know. Gold, where we are. Okay. Okay, we had a drop today. Look at that, I took out some. Well, wait, didn't I tell No, I didn't tell. Did I tell those prices? No, I didn't. Okay, so I think I said that yesterday, maybe. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna take credit for that. I'm gonna be a good boy today. And the good boy that I am, I said probably down here would be a good buy, but it wasn't down there. So okay, cool. That was apparently the pullback they wanted. It didn't come down to the price you wanted. I'm sorry. But yeah, very good information, Pedro. Very good. Nat gas, very high. Killer ask Hardik about nat gas. He is the expert in nat gas here in this group. So yeah. Still. But is this a sell? No, it's not a sell. I wouldn't say it's a sell. I probably people who have sold it. And if you didn't take your profit there, I don't know what you do with you guys. Take your stop loss there. I don't know what you do with you guys. So, yeah. If it was supposed to fall further, it should have been down now, not green. So, currently, it's just a higher high, higher low situation. So, it depends. Where do you think it's going to go? Do you think it's going to go higher? Ah, you want to learn some seasonality. Look at that guy, eh? You want my $1 million tips, how you actually make money? You want that for free? Wow, you're really cheeky today, eh? Okay. You're interesting. You're an interesting guy. I think you're a guy. Joe. It's definitely, it's spot. Totally depends on your bias on gold. Yeah. So Abraham says low. Okay. There's Joe. Joe is in the club. Joe is in the house. Joe is the one that's actually made these paper ones for you guys. So please thank him. Sideways until news. I actually do agree to that. So can we just take a setback in the back room? Can we take a coffee? I actually did a lot of that earlier. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I talked about, when you're not supposed to trade, you're supposed to take an ice cream. Sit on the beach and take ice cream and sit by the pool. If you have a pool, like, who was from Jamaica? Someone was from Jamaica. You guys should be sending me photos every single day of you taking photos by the beach. You have a beach in Jamaica. I know you're an island. So it doesn't really matter how nice or how beautiful or how ugly your beach is. You have a beach. I know you have a beach. And just the ocean, the sound of the ocean, even though if it's Hurricane Katrina, or maybe not, if it's hurricanes, I don't care. You have a beach, you have sun, I want it. Not coffee now, I won't be able to sleep. It's too late for coffee now. Market is just waiting. I do agree with that. So, as experts, we just came to conclusions. And as a community, we are from now waiting. Okay, we are from now waiting until tomorrow. So there's no way to risk anything at all. Yeah, okay, cool. You're thinking low. That is totally okay. So how do you think seasonality works better in other markets like lumber, coffee, sugar? Seasonality works in every market. Seasonality definitely works, and so definitely has a thing to say in trading. The reason why that has, let's go to the seasonality chart for maybe DXY. DXY, maybe some Season X maybe has some research for us today. What did they talk about lately? Beverage stocks are going higher. How stocks and currencies actually move around with the FOMC meeting. Will April showers bring May flowers? Seasonal patterns in commodities. Okay. So if we then go to the dollar index, let's go to dollar index, DXY, seasonality. Then we go to seasonal charts, maybe this one. German. So the dollar rises from January, February, March, has a peak in April, falls in April, rises in May, and toggles around in the end, and then falls in June, rises in June. Okay, so if we take the dollar seasonality for 2021, so we are rising from January until April. Let's see. Dollar index, what did we do this year? Are we rising from 2021? Let's see. This is 2021. Are we rising? Yes, we are rising. Yes, we are rising. Yes, we are rising. Yes, we are rising. Oh, it falls. What did I say? April, it falls. Okay. Comes down into April. We fall. Does this seasonality works? This one's supposed to go higher. This is supposed to go higher. This is supposed to go higher. This is supposed to fall. Yes, it does, bro. So yeah, I do follow seasonality. That is very important to follow, I would say. Pro gold here. Chocolate bunny coming in soon. No, wait, a black swan. Manipulated until war. Yeah. Until gold has a super duper strong trend, I'm not super duper interested in gold. But if you look at gold compared to this DXY, it should be higher than the 1st of April. It definitely is. So yeah, cool. There was some money to be made on gold this year. I just want to tell you guys, don't lose your mother's pension on gold, okay? Don't lose your mother's pension on gold. There is better seasonality of gold, okay? Better seasonality on gold. And one is that research seasonality. Is it gold somewhere here? Maybe not. Maybe not. Silver. Yeah, maybe could potentially be. I remember there's some research in here, and then maybe gold. Naval. Okay. XIU. They had done a thing earlier where they had, at least last year, we talked about gold. Gold, nothing still. They had a thing of gold. Gold are entering a seasonal strong phase, okay? We have January, February, and then falls in the end of February. That's what I tried to play this year. Didn't go out. July seems to be the low. And then we rise until September, October, November. Until October. Yeah, so there's a season coming for gold traders, okay? The season is coming. Do not be discouraged. But you know, yeah, it's 2 L's, Odeka. Should we still expect dollar strength in May? What am I going to say about that? I've said one thing at the beginning of May and 2 things at the beginning of May. I said I expect strength But if it falls, I'm not going to be foolish, and I'm going to follow the trend, which I have done. I expect then dollar. I then said around 15th, around 15th, we could go from bullish on dollar to bearish on dollar. But what if we are completely opposite this year, where we fall first, then strengthens? On the DXY, you do not at all have strength coming in here. This is very low. This is very bearish, and you have a range of resistances to break through before we can say this is bullish. So have your eyes open if you're expecting dollar bullishness. It might come. I cannot say it's gonna be that, but you have to choose a direction. That is all I ask you to do. Choose a direction. Be happy with if you don't get profits. You hold your direction. It didn't agree with you. Take notes. That's the only thing you can do. Because sometimes you don't get profits. I don't get profits for like 2 weeks back in April. What am I going to do then? Be angry? No, I'm not angry. I'm just like you. I'm the same person. I didn't change. Jackson says that's buy and sell method was refreshing. Thank you very much. Hello, Justin Carr. Thank you for joining in. How are you guys today? Which next pair should we cover now? So seasonality is very important. It can give you the overall direction. It might not give you the setups. It might not give you whatever. But if you go into the dollar seasonality I talked about earlier, maybe not here. There was something, probably DXY seasonality here. And I went into season next here. Whoa. Okay, cool. So if we are now in May, generally on the past 9 years, it's supposed to rise in May, and we haven't done that. Maybe we do opposite this year. I do not know that. But I was expecting still dollar weakness in June. If we do remember last year, the weakness started around 18th. So there's still time. There's still time. New Zealand CAD, Euro CAD. Oh, right. Have you ever already been on Euro CAD, Mr. Odeke? Odeke. I feel like Odeke is like you make a song out of that name. Sorry if you're making that offensive to you, but it's funny. Okay. Euro CAD, I've already done that. I have already pointed out the bullishness or the bearishness there. Very important. Sell price around 147.50 and buy price around 146.70, and it's in the range. I don't know where it's gonna go. It's not directional. Non directione. No direct. Okay, I'm not gonna joke anymore. I'm talking too fast. I'm sorry. Somebody said I talk too fast. I'm sorry that I talk too fast, but I just want to be energetic, happy. You know. I can take a sip of Pepsi Max instead. So this DXY seasonality failed in May because of the improved economic data points that was coming from a stimulus, yes. So stimulus is the one trying to push the economic data up. So Swissy, Cat Swissy. Okay, so correct. How much? A New Zealand CAD. What do you want to do? Okay. I don't know, people. Well, like, where is it going? Up or down? I don't know. It's been a range for 11 days. Does that sound amazing to you? I don't know. Yeah, people, please give this thing a like. If you learned anything new today, if I gave you any setups or any valuable things. Though I don't give any financial advice whatsoever. I'm just giving my personal opinion. So don't take this as financial advice. It's only for education purposes. But yeah, cool. I don't know. I'm lost. Perfect. What do you mean by you're lost? What are you lost about? What can I give you clarity about? I would really wait. Yeah, you should really wait, Petra. Really wait. Where's this cat Swissie thing? Oh, it's up here. I want to change the music today. I'm all about the music, Cool. I wish I could give unlimited likes. You know what? Thank you very much, bro. And we're supposed to look at this one today. Is it changed? No, nothing. I don't know why I did this, but okay, cool. Anyways. We should wait. Yeah, we should. I think this is going to go down. No high, no sign of fire high. There's actually no lower lows either of us. If I have, I will look for down. Please, details on COT report. Which one currency do you want me to cover, Mr. APM? I've also given you the details in the Sunday session. You have a special report there as well to look into. You're really good. I really like your analysis. Thank you very much. Thank you, Petra. I appreciate that. I do get a lot of feedback that people think my strategy is simple. I do strive to give you guys simple analysis, okay? So I said earlier today in the live of Trader Nick, I said, this is a sell price. It is now broken higher. It is no longer a sell price. That means it is now turning bullish. And how do you know that this is going to go higher? I just have certain rules, okay? I just have certain rules. If you're a buyer, this is your buy. If you're a buyer, this is your buy. If you're a buyer, this is your buy. And you should be in 1, 2, 3 trades right now. And you should be happy, dancing, and whatsoever. If you're a seller, you should be taking losses and wait for a new lower low after 71.40. That's that. Perfect, Kwashi. Can you please tell me why you're lost? You didn't give me an update on that. Yeah. Thank you very much. What else, bros? Bitcoin? Anyone? Bitcoin? BTBT? No. So cash fees I'm done with, by the way. I've already given you that. And I would also promote... yeah. So, yeah, cool. Probably. But bro, tell us something about market structure. Sometimes market does not retest after the breakout. Why? It didn't. I don't care about that. Why does it happen? Any idea? It is okay, I can give you a reason, okay? I can give you a reason. Why did Euro... Whoops, why did Euro not retest these levels so far? Why didn't it? Because of volatility. That is number one. Volatility. The other thing is, how did it fall? What is the reason? Sorry, reason. Reason for the fall. Is it, number one, take profit, or two, reversal? Let's look at those two together. This is take profit only. This is a reversal. How do you know? Because this is double bottom, higher high, higher low. This is a retest. In this situation here, there was no retest in this area from here. There is no retest here. So, since it never happened, it means that buyers are just going to kick it up later on. Here. And that is what they did. The tip of the day, well, me and Hardik, I'm not going to say that, but probably don't follow We Trade Waves. Tip of the day. We love We Trade Waves. Yeah. I'm not going to be bashing on someone, some other streamers. It's just personal growth. So, there is no pullback here, so this is also just a fall. This is just a take profit thing. This is also just a take profit thing. This is a reversal. So yeah, this is just a take profit thing. Take profit thing, reversal. Take profit, take profit, take profit. And right now, I don't know what's gonna do right now. Yeah, you laugh so hard sometimes, bro. You will laugh sometime. Oh yeah, okay, cool. People, for those who just wondering, what is the difference between a snowman and a snowman? What is the difference between a snowman and a snowwoman? Please just say you don't know. You don't know. And Hardik, I forbid you to answer. Somebody asked me earlier today, what is happening to USD CAD? What is going on? It's falling. It's supposed to fall. It is what we are expecting. Yeah, you know. So what is the difference between... What is the difference between a snowman and a snowwoman? Let me see if I can find the laughing, crying emoji here. Hopefully find it somewhere. There we are. The difference between a snowman and a snowwoman is the snowballs. Anyways. I think quick, fast to spike liquidity. Yeah. One is female, another one is female. Yeah, that's true as well. I do agree on that. I think fast, spike, quick. You guys should come for my dry jokes. It's a quick, fast joke. I like it. Quick, 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 in and out. One has extra carrot. Yeah. Sunny, you're a bit late for gold. We have already done gold, but yeah, cool. So on the USD CAD thing, we are expecting this one to... It is taking profit here, so be aware. It's already taking profit, so I would just take that one there. Cool. Goodbye, sir. Sell or buy? Just want to mention something to you guys. Can you all appreciate the art of my trading sometimes? Can you just you know, I said coming down to this level and it goes higher. I said this is a buy zone, this is a buy zone. And then it goes higher. Come on, people. Boom. Okay, I don't know what else, people. Don't come for me if this is not working out for you. I didn't do it. Gold. Yeah. I know you, Abbas. I will try. Okay, so I've said silver 26.93. Okay, good. Pretty good there. But what are we going to do then? Well, you're thinking buy, okay? So, it's already the target for the week, for the month. It did not come down to the target, the entry for the week. And for the day, it came down, okay? So, depending on what kind of magic thing you're trading, you probably could have an entry somewhere. And I think we're going to go higher. But also remember, we are now waiting for tomorrow. Wait for tomorrow. Wait for tomorrow. But yeah, apparently that was the buy price. Didn't come down to this buy price that I wanted. Yeah, cool. We are good to go. What is then the goal? Yeah, going higher. Great. Everything is great. So, going higher. Support resistance, going higher. Gold, it's difficult. Gold is currently in a range, I would say. It is not bullish, it's not bearish. If it goes higher, probably can go higher. But remember, we have taken profit already in this area here. So, that's the reason why it stopped, kind of a thing. So if you are into gold, you're like, I'm gonna buy this thing. Yeah, okay, cool. You're late, bro. There is a buy price here, 1st of April, which I mentioned, and probably buy price down here as well. I mentioned somewhere in this area. I said buy. Great, fantastic. Have a great day. Okay, so it's just range bound. You can go higher from here. I would agree with that. You can also come a bit down again before going higher. Both of them are absolutely terrible, absolutely likely. If you are here for the first time, very, very much welcome to everyone who's here for the news time. My name is MINDBLOWING. I'm a Forex trader. I've been trading Forex for probably 7 to 8 years now. I'm here to make you a happy trader, both in knowledge and you should do your analysis. I only provide what I think is going to happen for the next day. And then it's up to the market to provide us with the good entries and the good market conditions. If you are a seller, I have apparently given you this kind of a sell opportunity. I've given you this sell opportunity. And probably, I said earlier today, this is also the sell opportunity. So yeah, pretty good, mate. Going down. So if you're coming into USD yen, you're actually coming into the sell zone for tomorrow. Leggy says this channel is a gem. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. We have 1 subscriber coming in today. Wow. Thank you very much. I'm happy. 1 more subscriber today. Wow. Not that it matters. It does matter because then it can help more people becoming better Forex traders. That's why it matters. It's the human level. It's the suffering I'm trying to end. I'm trying to end your suffering. I'm trying. Every single day, I'm trying my best. Dunkerky says, I'll be watching you every day from now on. I learned so much. Why is Norway so expensive? I have a thing there though. Why is Norway expensive? Why is Norway expensive? Let's see what we find. Let's see if I can find the correct one. Norway is expensive because we have beautiful fjords, we have beautiful women, and we have oil. We have oil. We are 5 million people. People. And 100,000 billion kroner fund. Let's go and check what's the fund right now. What is it called in the region? This is called Pensjon Oljefond. Oil fund. It's called oil fund. And currently it's 11,000 billion. 11,000 billion kronor. So yeah. It's definitely beautiful women. Do you know why? Do you know why it's expensive? Because we have beautiful women? Because of... Because it's all the demand for chocolate, flowers, and spa treatments. That's why Norway 6 was so expensive. And pedicures and manicures, I don't know what to call it. Is that pedicure, manicure? I don't know. You don't tell me. You tell me. Is there any female in here who can tell me? Is that pedicure or manicure? I absolutely don't know. Yes, I've done my nails on board. Can you look if you want an overview of New Zealand dollar? We can do look at New Zealand dollar. Yes, we do. How about this? Beautiful women. Let's search for women in Norway. How do they look like? They are so beautiful, even, sorry about that, but even the typical Norwegian girl is probably... Who's the typical Norwegian girl? Is this typical Norwegian girl? Blonde hair, blue eyes, tall. Probably this woman. I don't know who it is. But yeah. Kind of like this. Yeah, this is like pure Norway. Made in Norway kind of edition. Yeah, so cool. Blonde, blue eyes. Not everyone is slim, but that's kind of a thing. Oh, I forgot to take off my Telegram. So Telegram, there we go. Quick. So yeah, cool. If you're wondering who this is the Prime Minister of Norway. This is the Defense Minister, and this is the Finance Minister. So the Prime Minister, the head of the state, the Minister of Defense, and the Minister of Finance. All three women. Hello, Jasmine. Hello. Hello. Hello, Jasmine. And for those who don't know about Norway, King of Norway, we have royalties in Norway. This is the King of Norway. He is probably 90 by now and he's still ruling. This is our crown prince, and this is the King of Manchester United, Norwegian guy, Ole Gunnar Solskjær. Anyways. So he doesn't have any powers. He's just there waving at people, waving at people, waving at people. That's kind of what he did. He doesn't make any laws. That's what the Prime Minister does. And he's just, yeah, sign, yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Whatever you're saying, Prime Minister. Prime Minister. Erna Solberg, she's called. So, yesterday I said, this is the buy price. 72.60. 72.6009. How did that go, bro? Yeah, that's a good buy price. Boom. Okay. What else? Let's go out of here. Let's get out of here. And then we go out to weekly. Weekly, we have buy prices around 72.29. Still hasn't come there yet. Okay. Interesting. We do not have a lower low. We don't have a higher high. So it's all open. It is actually a question mark. Where's it going to go? I don't know. Defense. How are you? I'm very good, Jasmine. She needs a bodyguard. They have bodyguards, by the way. Don't worry. Manicure is for the hands and pedicure is for the foot. Thank you, Jasmine. I need to write it down. So can I really? I really need to write it down. Okay, so Jasmine says pedicure. Manicure is for hands. Manicure is for hands. Manicure is equal hands. I actually do this. Then pedicure equals feet. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me check if you guys can see that. So you actually can directly read that. Manicure equals hands, pedicure equals feet. Why did market go choppy? Because of CPI tomorrow, bro. Waiting for chip CPI, yeah. And retail sales tomorrow. Why? That's why Hardik. Yeah, I agree on that. Today I learned what is pedicure and manicure. Nice YouTube channel. Slowly. You didn't know that Norway has a female prime minister? You didn't know that? Nice YouTube channel. Slowly we will know how to do makeup on face. Yeah, should we do like a daily routine tomorrow, people? You know. So every morning I wake up at 4 a.m. and I do my nails. I do my nails every morning. Yeah. And then I take my cup of coffee. So every morning I take my cup of coffee, with some chocolate, some cafe latte. I'm not supposed to drink coffee now. Still not coffee today. Thank you. Or you could just go to the spa but if you mispronounce or misdo the pedicure and manicure at the spa, you probably could just pay twice as much. Pedicure, Pris Norway. How much does it cost? Pedicure Oslo. Go till Timma. Okay. How do you is this thing? Like, this is for ladies, this is color, this is, yeah. Or maybe, or feet, there we are. Yeah. And then pedicure. Okay. Cool. It costs 200. That one costs $70. This one costs $130. And this one costs $25. So divide this by 10. This price is by 10. Then you get whatever. So yeah, that's how much it costs for pedicure. What is it about FOREX? I don't know. What happened? You have doctor's handwriting. Thank you very much, Hardik. I love that. Thank you, my wife. That's why I say to my employee when they try to read my writing. Yeah, true. Check out DXY. I will do that joke. I know we are far off. We are far off now, but it's funny. Which one do you look at then, bro? Which one do you look at then, bro? Divergence. This is in MACD. Let me check. M oscillator. Probably. I have to take some away. Okay. So which one is going away today? I think it's the M oscillator, isn't it? And then check for divergence. And then it's supposed to have made a low here. Yeah. Coming in here, yeah, probably. And then we're going higher now? Or is it the other one? Well, yeah, it's Norway's expensive, bro. It's because of all the flowers and chocolates. Abbas! You bloody person. Why are you saying that I have bad handwriting? I didn't show me my handwriting for you guys to bash on me, right? I didn't search for you to tell me that I have a bad handwriting. Yes, if we are now going up here, yeah, we are already bouncing on. Yeah, actually, I would actually say this is actually, I would say, with the buy price, like from here on, and then going higher. It's like it's deep, like here, it's deep and going higher. This is deep and going higher. I don't know, but yeah, that would be great. So yeah, maybe. I don't have a higher high yet though. So yeah, cool. That's how we get beautiful women. Twitter girls don't even have time for manicure and pedicure, unfortunately. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, it's absolutely true. So yes, I do fear this. Well, I want it to fall though. So I do fear this one, Joe. I absolutely see that coming. And somebody said, I mean, you need to with handwriting, maybe handwriting and writing then. Yeah, we'll just do that one then. Why don't you start a signal service? Because I hate it. I already give out signals. I already feel like I give out signals to you guys. I give the prices before the day before it happens. Is oil still very risky? Yes, it is actually, bro. As to any commodities, it is still very risky. So if you want to trade that, it's totally up to you. I can't really take you away from that, but I wouldn't. And people lose money, people mismanage signals, people do all crazy stuff, and they blame you for it. Alright? They blame you for it. So I don't like that. Check 4 hour. Yeah. I'm just checking euro. Yeah. You're already on the 1 hour already fell down, so maybe. I don't like it. It's like daunting on me right now. But do you remember, Joe, do you remember the statistics for euro dollar on monthly to go above R1? Isn't R1 maybe the top sometimes or mostly? Do you remember that in May? I can't. I don't know. I'm not allowed. I'm not sharing that free will though. So that's totally up to you. If you want to share it, if not, I will just take another day. But yeah, so we are currently finding support at S1. Wait until the price come my way. Yeah, I love that. Above R1 literally only happened twice since 03. So it's very unlikely, people. It's absolutely very unlikely for the price to close above R1. So if we come above R1, the chances of it falling increase is absolutely substantial. And both of those occurrences have happened in 17 and 19, 2019 and 2017. So yeah, very likely. Bro, if you guys just hold on for a minute before you guys go, if you ever go. That is the value of paying someone money. He just told you. This guy just told you secrets, bro. If those 20 who are here right now, this is golden. Yeah, this is golden. This is how you become a better trader, bro. Every single freaking one of you should be thanking Joe for giving you that for free. I'm actually gonna do that. Thank you very much, Joe. Thank you very much, Joe. One guy left. Okay, cool. Then he's not part of the team then. It only means the close price by the end of the month. It can happen this year that we can go above. But what I'm hoping for is kind of M4 before falling. That's kind of what I hope for. Dunkirky. I call it for Dunkirky now. Yeah, merci beaucoup. But that's kind of what I hoped for right now since we are bullish. But am I going to take profit on my euro buys now? No, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Or should I just sell it? Just for the fun of it. What if we go higher and look like a lunatic if I took profit too early? Is the monthly time frame the strongest one though? Yeah, I would say that is pretty strong. That is pretty guiding for what we're doing, yeah. So I would say the main one is probably weekly or monthly, sometimes depending they switch. But monthly is like the highs of the pyramid of, monthly pivot points. Monthly pivot points is the top of the hierarchy. Weekly is the mid, and then daily is like whatever happens. So daily is more difficult to trade because it's influenced by what happens on the larger time frame. Meaning, when we hit R1 forever, take profit here, comes back down to M3 before it bounces again. On daily, that is like M3 to target. That is like a whole bearish day. That's like a full bearish thing. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But no lower low. Why? I'm not selling, bro. But if it comes lower tomorrow, Abbas, like a lower low tomorrow, CPI goes out of the moon. It goes way above target. It goes way above whatever we're expecting. I'm expecting 3.6. That's at least what I've read about. And you saw what expected happens on NFP. We absolutely crushed it in the wrong direction, and dollar become weaker. So if it goes the wrong way tomorrow on CPI, we could have dollar bullishness. I'm just telling you. Bro, sometimes we see long and short position close both sides. What is indicating to us? Okay, that's a good question. I'm here for the questions today. Okay, cool. Probably good. Then that means range. Uncertainty. Range. Uncertainty. Or a big news event coming. So when was it big uncertainty range coming in before anything? November, August to November. Here, from 1st of August until 2nd of November, absolutely freaking no trend. Okay? So that is what uncertainty range and both taking profit looks like. Low, retest, sell. Yes, but I'm bullish. Initially, manufacturing was great. Yeah, great. Elections. Yes. Elections, another one that would make, before the election, that would make something range. Like the pound. Pound did that this week. It was ranging until the Scotland came out. And it went absolutely bazooked. It went absolutely bazooked. And then now it's bullish. Scott Jones, remember those months? Well, it was absolutely painful. To be honest, it was absolutely painful. Thank you for the like, bro, by the way. Thank you for the like. I do appreciate that. I'm not here for the likes. I'm here for you to answer my questions. I'm here as long as you answer me questions. I'm here for you, boys. What we have gone through today, the main topic today is if euro dollar goes above R1, it is absolutely rare. If it closes above R1 on the month. We're currently below R1. So if it now turns around today, tomorrow, whatever, I absolutely find that absolutely normal. I wanted to go to M4, but I don't know if you can go to M4. It can still be the plan. But if you start falling now, I am definitely thinking twice about what I'm doing. The reason why is because the stock market fell today, and I don't know why they fell today. Nasdaq fell today. I don't know why they fell today. So if somebody can fill me in, almost went to take profit for the month even on Nasdaq. So that's really something. So maybe they are now going bullish. Hopefully, yeah, maybe. But it all depends on CPI tomorrow. S&P 500 is down less than 1% on today. Nasdaq is actually up today, but it was down some percentage earlier today. So it was down like 2% today, give or take. Yeah. Jasmine, is Ivan on Discord? Yes, I am. Mrs. I can give the link if you really want to, you know. Padram Evil is already in there. Cool. Welcome, everyone. Then I need to find... Where the heck is that one? Link. It's an invite link here. Cool. I found an invite link. There you are. That's an invite link. Everyone can go and join there. And I am Zoom meetings some in the mornings. Random, by the way. Oh, I'm not drinking coffee. Don't give me coffee now. It's too late for me. Yes, I am. Yeah. Yeah. What else, people? All Volvo riders are there. Yeah, we are. I don't know, 500 people today or something. A bit more than 500 people on the Discord. Oh, it's hot in here. Somebody forgot to take off the oven. So, if you are in my mentorship group and you are here until the end, I just tell the mentorship group to go to the end of this live. I do not have any positions more for you tomorrow. Please be break even. Please don't add more risk to whatever you have. I already have the weekly buy set up, and I'm just going to leave them alone, and then the rest is going to take care of himself. Okay? Euro dollar, there's mostly net short on euro. That is interesting. Mostly net short on Aussie. Mostly net short on pound. Mostly net short on New Zealand. That probably is going to indicate that we're going to go higher tomorrow. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. To catch more money out of the retail traders. Yeah. Innocent says, hello, I've been from South Africa. Welcome back again. And I was with you and Nick earlier. Yeah, I remember you. Very much welcome back. Then we have to go through the economic calendar. If anyone wants to go to my homepage, you know I have a homepage here. I was struggling with Forex trading. I do have a technical analysis course for $99. By the way, I have a mentorship here. I know that's the price you pay for every 6 months if you want to do that. That's totally up to you. I'm not selling anything. I'm just saying if you need one, you know, it's up to you. But I want you to go to FX Risk. Retail sales came out of there at 1.3, okay? And Zoo came out very hot today, but also consumer price out of China was on target, but still very low. I would call that low. In a couple of hours, in 4 hours, we have Westpac on food consumer confidence. That can drive the Aussie, by the way. Then we have the GDP out of pound tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. my time. So this is my time business. So if you are in America, that would be around 2 a.m. If you're West Coast boys, it's around midnight. 11 p.m. sorry. And then you have the consumer price index out of America. We're expecting 2.3 on the core year over year and year over year without core 3.6. But this is the one to look out for. This is what we are looking for. Last time it was 1.6. Last time before that it was 1.3 or something like that. So are we coming in hot at 2.3 on the core? And target is 2? I don't know. It can be everything and everything. All right. So, if you are new here, we've been here for 1.5 hours. Wow. Okay. I think I'm getting done now. I'm getting a bit tired. But I would just say thank you guys for joining in today. And if you guys need some help from me, please go to the Discord link up there. Talk to me. I'm here to be talked to. I not bite you. I only bite Hardik because he's my wife. My trading wife. And yeah, he has a job to do today and tomorrow. Hardik, you have a job to do. You remember that? Chief. So, until then, thank you guys for joining in. If you are new here, please subscribe. I have given you... Thank you guys. Thank you very much, everyone. I have given you in-trader trading tips. I want your dollar to fall, but it can turn around. Then how do I deal with that? I will take profit. If it turns lower, of course I will take profit. If I would sell, yeah, maybe not. But yeah, we shall see. CPI is going to determine probably the next of the month. We shall see what happens tomorrow. Until then, have a good day. Boom. Have a good night. For those who live in America, the future is bright. The sun is set. And yeah, cool. Ba-da-bum. Oof.